Good morning guys! Nandito kami ngayon guys sa tapat ng Muswan Peak guys, sa Muswan guys. This is the so-called view deck. Ito yung mga lumon ko guys, mga kasamahan kong hikers guys. Yeah. Ronron, the Great, Shenalyn, the Lovely, and then dito daw banda yung aming dati guys na uma ni nanay guys. Dito kami magpugas guys ng mais dati. At saka humay. Ito yun, nilalakad lang namin guys from there sa highway. Go up here. Grabing exercise noon guys. Good morning. Yes. Guys, gina-jogging lang niyang bukid guys, oh, you see? Guys, mga true hikers to guys. Grabe yung hangin nila guys. Ako dito guys, hingal-hingal na guys. This is it. This is the view. 360 degrees. Love it.